The MCC Scholarship meant a lot to me personally. It was creating a community where I could network with different people and also find my own skills. It was very interesting for me to hear about MCC. It really motivated me to be a part of MCC Scholarship as a student, as it was providing not only financial support but was also building a community with a lot of opportunities. There were a lot of projects that I was a part of through MCC, for example, presentations and also projects that were related to MCC research. And then we also went on trips, for example, the summer camp, the winter camp, and there we had interesting lectures about different topics throughout the globe. I have a lot of friends from MCC today that I still carry with me, even though I'm not a part of it anymore, but I will still be a part of it forever. I will always be a Modulian. I will always be a scholarship student for MCC.